Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Yuwell oxygen concentrator. First, find a suitable location for your device, ensuring it has ample space for ventilation, about 4 inches on all sides. Next, connect the power cord to a grounded outlet and press the power button. Remember to fill the humidifier bottle with distilled water up to the maximum line before attaching it to the concentrator. This ensures comfortable and effective oxygen delivery. Now, let's get your oxygen flowing. Use the flow rate knob or buttons to set the oxygen delivery to your doctor's prescribed liters per minute. Typically, this ranges from 1 to 5 liters per minute. Then, connect your nasal cannula or oxygen mask to the humidifier bottle's outlet. Always check that the tubing is free from kinks or blockages to ensure a consistent and uninterrupted supply of oxygen. Proper maintenance is key for optimal performance and longevity. Clean the air filter at least once a week using mild soap and water, then let it air dry completely before reinserting. Remember to change the distilled water in your humidifier bottle every day to prevent any bacterial buildup. Also, regularly check your nasal cannula, mask, and tubing for any signs of damage, and replace them when necessary. Safety is paramount when using your oxygen concentrator. Always keep the device at least 10 feet away from any open flames, heat sources, or flammable materials. If you experience any discomfort, shortness of breath, or unusual symptoms, contact your doctor immediately. For any specific error codes or advanced troubleshooting, always refer to your Yuwell user manual for detailed instructions and solutions.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.